In today's video, I am going to teach you how to post a longer video on WhatsApp status. WhatsApp status has a time limit for each clip. Depending on your region and app version, you might see up to 90 seconds, but many people still get 30 to 60 seconds per clip. The simple workaround is to split your video into consecutive segments and upload them one after another, so they play back to back for your viewers. Start by opening WhatsApp and heading to the status section. You can also record directly here. But if the video is already saved on your phone, selecting it from your gallery gives you more control. When the video loads, you'll see a trimmer or timeline bar with handles. This is where you choose the first portion of your video. Drag the handles to capture the opening 30 to 60 seconds, or the maximum your app allows. Aim to cut at a natural pause, like at the end of a sentence or scene, so the transition to the next part feels smooth. Take a moment to preview this segment. If the cut point feels abrupt, nudge the handles slightly until it flows better. Once you are happy with that first segment, go ahead and post it to your status. Allow it to upload fully before moving on. A stable internet connection helps keep the quality consistent and avoids delays between parts. Next, select the same video again. This time, drag the trimmer forward so it starts exactly where the last segment ended. Many phones show a timestamp as you scrub through. Use that to stay precise. If you want to be extra careful, jot down the end time of the previous clip, so here is no gap. A tiny overlap is okay if it makes the transition feel more natural, but try not to repeat too much. Post this second segment, wait for it to finish, and then repeat the process until you've covered the entire video in multiple parts. Keep your segments in order and upload them close together in time, so they appear to viewers in the correct sequence. After everything is up, watch your status from start to finish, to confirm it plays seamlessly. A couple of quick tips: keep your phone steady on Wi-Fi for faster uploads, and remember that statuses are temporary and will disappear after 24 hours. If audio continuity is important, avoid big jumps between segments and keep your volume consistent. That's it. Thanks for watching.